Hey guys, in this video we will see 50 Indian economy GK questions and answers. In which year Public Debt Act was passed? (1944). India is fully dependent on imports to meet the demand of which of the following fertilizers? Potash fertilizer. Which country does economist Dambisa Moyo belong to? Zambia. Who is the first CEO of the New Development Bank? KV Kamath. Where are the headquarters of the National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources located? New Delhi. What is India's rank in fertilizer production? Third. What is India's rank in the production of rice bran oil? First. What is the total population of duck and chicken in India? $750 million. Which chemical improves brain mental state after eating chicken? Serotonin. What is pisciculture? Rearing of fishes. The local system of canal irrigation found in parts of Himachal Pradesh over 400 years ago is known as Cool. Which organization releases the Ease of Doing Business Index? World Bank. Where is the headquarters of ordnance factories? Kolkata. Which of the following has a maximum share in e-waste? Computer waste. What is FDI received by FMCG sector in the last 2 decades from 2000 to 2020? US $16.28 billion. What is the share of over-the-counter medicines in Indian market? %21. What is India's rank in steel consumption in the world? Third. In which year the first modern cotton textile mill established in India? (1854). When was the first national health policy of India created? (1983). Which industry is the largest contributor to total exports of the country? ITBPM industry. What is the contribution of the retail industry to GDP of India? %10. Which among the following is not a surface means of transport? Airways. What is India's rank in the Global Innovation Index 2019? (52). Which among the following is an outcome of an increased repo rate to a consumer? High loan interest rate. National Investment and Infrastructure Fund is registered under Indian Trust Act 1882. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways was started in which year? (1942). When was the first time paper currency was started in India? (1861). Who among the following owns LIC? Government of India. In which year life insurance sector was nationalized? (1956). What is the total length of navigable inland waterways in India? (14,500 kilometer). Who among the following is the founder of Jet Airways? Naresh Goyal. Which type of coal is mostly used for electricity generation in India? Bituminous. In which case the consumer surplus is greatest? Necessities. On which river the National Waterway 6 exists? Barak. In which year HPCL was established? (1974). What is India's rank in uranium consumption in the world? Sixth. Which of the following is called microeconomics? Price theory. If the fixed cost of a factory producing candles is rupees 20,000, the selling price is rupees 30 per dozen candles and the variable cost is rupees 1.5 per candle, then what is the break-even quantity? $20,000. GNP, depreciation allowance equal to? NNP. Which one of the following is not a component of fiscal policy? Trade. Which of the following states of India has implemented VAT tax on junk food? Kerala. What does the priority sector for commercial bank lending indicate? Agriculture and small-scale industries. How many of the following Navratna CPSEs are there in India? (17). How much is the MSP for wheat in 2021? $20.15 per quintal. For how many crops does the government fix the MSP for in India currently? (23). In which of the following months is the Kharif crop harvested? October. Development expenditure of the central government does not include defense expenditure. ICICI is the name of a financial institution. Gilt-edged market means market of government securities. In the last 1 decade, which one among the following sectors has attracted the highest foreign direct investment inflows into India? Telecommunication.